everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a platform called Rapidworkers.com. If you're looking for an easy way to earn some extra money or need help with small tasks, this might be the perfect solution for you. So, let's dive right in. Rapidworkers.com is an online platform that connects employers and freelancers from all around the world. It offers a wide range of micro jobs and tasks that you can complete for quick pay. Whether you're a freelancer looking to earn money or an employer needing assistance with small projects, Rapidworkers.com has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at some of the features that make Rapidworkers.com stand out. First and foremost, it's incredibly easy to use. As a freelancer, you can sign up for free and create your profile in just a few minutes. Once you're all set up, you can browse through a variety of tasks posted by employers. These tasks can range from simple data entry to more complex graphic design projects. Rapidworkers.com offers a diverse range of task categories. You can find tasks related to data entry, online research, social media management, content writing, graphic design, and many more. This wide selection ensures that there's something for everyone, regardless of your skills or expertise. One of the most important aspects of any online platform is secure payments. Rapidworkers.com understands this, and that's why they have a robust payment system in place. Once you complete a task and it gets approved by the employer, you can withdraw your earnings through various payment methods, including PayPal and direct bank transfers. This ensures that you receive your hard-earned money safely and efficiently. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some users of Rapidworkers.com about their experience with the platform. Now that you know about Rapidworkers.com, here are a few tips to increase your success on the platform. First, make sure to create a compelling profile that highlights your skills and experience. Second, keep an eye out for new tasks and apply promptly. Third, communicate effectively with employers to ensure clarity and avoid any misunderstandings. And finally, always deliver high-quality work to build a strong reputation on the platform. That wraps up our video about Rapidworkers.com. It's a fantastic platform for both freelancers